This is episode 2, creating data frames in Pandas. So there are different ways. Now let us see in this 3 smart ways to create data frames in Pandas. Okay. So what are the objectives? This episode, once you learn, you can create Pandas data frames using Python lists, dictionaries, and external files. It might be CSV, JSON, like that. CSV is a comma separated values file. And we can understand the structure and index of a data frame. Practice writing clean and readable data frame. Okay. So the 3 powerful ways, let's learn the 3 powerful ways to create your first real data frame in Pandas. Okay. Number 1, method 1 is from Python lists. Number 2, method 2 is from dictionary CSV file. Let us see from the method 1 here. So let me make it as a comment. So this is the method 1 in which you see a list is being made. See, this is the list of the lists, right? So this one is one list wherein you can see name of a person is Ravi and his marks obtained are 85 and grade given is A. So similarly, so that means we can say, let me take it as something else like this. Let me be more clear. Student 1, let us create like this. Okay. Let us see in what way we can understand better. I am trying to make myself, or rather, more, give myself more practice. So student 1, student 2. See, we don't require these many lines of code with Python, but so first of all, master ourselves in such, beautiful feature or beautiful data structure of Pandas. I'm trying to make it more clear. Because for a beginner, it takes a lot of time to actually analyze things. So maybe easy now. See, now I made, see, student minus means it takes as a minus. So let me make it as variable like this. Okay. Or let us make it as still more simple. So student 1, STU1, STU2, STU3, like this. So now we'll create a series or list like this. Okay. STU_1, STU_2, STU_3. Let us see. Now let me make this as a comment. Now let us run this program. Okay. It is done. Now we have a data. Now let us see whether it is reading it or not. So I will see. Now these are the values available in the variable called data. Now df, or let me say df1 is equal to pd.DataFrame, okay, and data. Now I want to create from the lists what we have defined. See, I have taken a STU1 is one list, STU2 is another list, STU3 is another list. And I have created list of lists using another variable called data. Now, finally, I have created a data frame. We are generating a data frame from the lists. So df1 is equal to pd.DataFrame of data. So let us again run this program. Yeah, so it is run. So now the column is run, but we don't see the values, right? So we type ef1 in the program and then again run. Now see by default, the indexing to the rows and the columns are given 0, 1, 2. Still more, we can say here pd dot, yeah, so the syntax, now I write it here and paste it here. Now we can say columns is equal to na, columns is equal to, we can now create, name, comma, let me make it as what do you call, yeah, so again this is one more list. Now again, let me run. Let us see whether it runs on. Yes, it is running. Now again I make df1 and then now see there is a name given to the first column that is known as name. Now let us actually give more meaning to the second column and the third column. Now see, again create it, again run it. Yeah, we created a data frame from Python lists. That is what we have done. In this episode, what you call 2, we are discussing about how to create pandas data frames using Python lists, dictionaries, external files, right? So in this video, we try to learn about how to, from the Python lists. So this is the list actually. Okay. So this is Python lists. So this is the list. This is the list of the lists. Okay, this is the list of the lists. And then I have created. Now this is the creation of data frames, data frame. And this is how we see the output, right? Output. This is the output. So this is here the code we can write in one line here. Let me take this code and then keep it here again. I'm just trying to show it to you. So this is the code. If I run this code, this is our particular data frame. We'll again look in the second. We'll come back in another video wherein we'll create data frame from the dictionary.